पढ़ाई करो, करो तैयारी जीत की. Welcome to our current affairs channel. Today's topic is What's in ART, Art Surrogacy Bills. Lok Sabha recently passed the Assisted Reproductive Technology Regulation Bill 2020, which makes provision for the safe and ethical practice of assisted reproductive technology, ART, services in the country. Overview and key features of the bill are: it would lead to the creation of a national board to lay down and implement a code of conduct for people working at IVFs clinics. Determines the minimum standards of physical infrastructure, laboratory, diagnostic equipment, and expert manpower to be employed by art clinics and banks. The bill intends to make genetic testing of the embryo mandatory before implantation for the benefit of the child born through art. It also seeks to streamline the cryopreservation processes for sperm, oocytes, and embryos. It also proposes to constitute a national registry and registration authority to maintain a central database and assist the national board in its functioning. The bill proposes stringent punishment for those practicing sex selection, sale of human embryos or gametes, and running agencies, rackets, or organizations for such unlawful practices. The need for a legislation in this regard. The need to regulate the art services is to protect the affected women and children from exploitation. Registration with the ICMR is a voluntary exercise at the moment, because of which many clinics don't take the trouble and prefer opacity while offering infertility treatment. The significance. The major benefit of the Act would be regulation of the assisted reproductive technology services in the country. Consequently, infertile couples will be more ensured and confident of the ethical practices in art clinics. What is art? Why it is in demand? Assisted reproductive technology, as commonly understood, comprises procedures such as in vitro fertilization, IVF, intrauterine insemination, IUI, oocyte and sperm donation, cryopreservation, and includes surrogacy as well. Social stigma of being childless and lengthy adoption processes have increased the demand for art in India. It is thus not surprising that the art industry is expected to grow by a compounded annual growth rate of 10%. Surrogacy versus ART in India. The Surrogacy Regulation Bill relates to surrogacy and infertility treatment where a third person, a woman, is the surrogate mother. In ART, treatments can be availed by the commissioning couples themselves, and it is not always necessary that a third person is involved. Surrogacy is allowed for only Indian married couples. Art procedures are open to married couples, live-in partners, single women, and also foreigners. A 2015 notification prohibits commissioning of surrogacy in India by foreigners or OCI or PIO card holders, but NRIs holding Indian citizenship can avail surrogacy. Foreigners can visit India under medical tourism to avail ART services. That's all for today on art and surrogacy bills. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. पढ़ाई करो, करो तैयारी जीत की.